Hello and welcome back to another episode here on our skill set position taskbook toolkit. We'll talk briefly through our advanced options, some of what you can expect and that you may or may not find useful. As a reminder, again, if you have customization or questions or feedback or whatever, please do reach out to us. And also as a reminder, you can find both the basic version and the advanced version at the weprepare.org website. So with that, let's jump into a couple of our advanced tools. You'll see that the advanced version really does mirror the basic version. Same data entry all the way through these, all being the same. And then largely back here, the blue and the turquoise are the same. The advanced part that we pulled in allows you to kind of customize this. And so you can see here we put Mickey Mouse in here as our state coordinating officer. Let's see, our EOC manager is Donald Duck. You could again work through the various options here, and again, as a reminder, the bright green tabs are editable for your kind of customization. So from here, right, you can import or put in rather the agencies of who may be joining you. This section piece here, you can customize that with whatever field. So if you have a blue sky organization that you're trying to line up with, or the sections of the EOC or whatever, you update the blue here, and then it updates the drop downs there. Same with email and phone number, populate those as they make sense. And then what that does is do a couple of things. It puts together a letter of X's. You can see it pulls these in. If we had our agencies populated, you can see that would pull in as well. From there, we can put in various things, let's say note-taking or the ever important copy making, whatever the case may be. And then you can select through here that they have that skill, they need or want the skill, or no, they have no interest in the skill. Color codes to kind of pop out a brightly colored map. And then just like our other stuff with sort and filter, we can again click A to Z, and if we had this thing populated, it would pull a report, so to speak, of who has the copy making skill or who needs, let's say, note taking. And if we have enough orange boxes here of folks that need or want it, put on a little mini course or a seminar or something to again help develop that skill. You can see it'll take up to about 16 skills, and then again you can build out your map as you move forward. The EOC map is similar to the one in the basic version. We pulled that across, and again populates the items here. You can select which skill sets each person would need, print them to PDF, and then again go back and email a customized position taskbook back to the individual folks for them to print and be ready to go, or print them and bring them to your next exercise or activation or whatever the case may be. The other thing that this does is it brings in a handy ICS 203, your organizational assignment list, and this will populate with the name of the person as well as their phone number. And when you go to print, it pops out in a nice PDF version that you can then print on traditional paper, include it in an IAP, put it on plotter paper and put it on the wall, do 11 by 17 placemats, whatever you're looking at there. And then it puts together a 207 as well. Again, multiple different sizes you can print it. That way you can kind of, again, put it on a wall, put it on a placemat or wherever else. But again, pulls in our pieces off of the contact list as well as phone numbers. So again, handy little desk reference thing that it creates. And so really the other thing that we'll show down the road, we have a couple other tools, the SITREP tool, and we're working on a Emergency Operations Center sort of handbook. This page, this EOC contact info, is mapped identically between all three tools. So if you fill it out once, you essentially can just grab the thing, Control-C, copy it, take it to the other tool, go to the same spot, make sure you're on the right cell, and paste, or vice versa. If you've already created it in one of the other tools, you can paste it in here. Similar with that, for quick, easy updating, if you have some changes, periodically at the beginning of an exercise or an activation, make your edits, and then again copy paste the one sheet into the others, and it will update your various tools and products. So with that, we appreciate you coming out for our advanced version of the Skill Set Position Taskbook Toolkit, and we'll look forward to having you join us on one of our other demonstrations down the road. As always, please do reach out with feedback or questions, and we'll be happy to get back with you. Thanks, take care, be safe, and happy trails.